Hello. The purpose of this video is to show you how to complete the standard breakdown assignment. From our home page, we're going to click Modules, and then we're going to scroll to Standard Breakdown Training. To download the standard breakdown, you can use any of these buttons. Let's click the arrow. We're going to first enable editing and then save this document to your orientation folder. We're going to click File, Save As, navigate to your H drive, navigate to your Business Education, and then Orientation folder. We're going to save this document as last name, underscore, which is shift and the dash key next to the 0, orientation, underscore, SB for standard breakdown. So now we have our document saved. It's very important to save the document as yours. You will know when you see your last name here. Now we want to complete our standard breakdown. The first thing you must do is to highlight the verbs for each element. An element is identified with a small letter. So these are elements. And we're going to highlight the verb. So we're looking for an action word. In letter A, that would be identify and demonstrate. To highlight, you will double click a word and then choose the highlight key from your ribbon. Next, we're going to underline the significant noun or nouns for each element. So we're looking for those words that are so important that if they weren't there, the statement would not make sense. So our verb is identify. What do we need to identify? We need to identify ergonomic issues. Both of these words should be underlined. We will select them by clicking, dragging over. Once they're gray, then we will click the U on the ribbon in order to underline. Make sure that you only underline significant nouns. Do not underline all words in an element. The next step is to restate your element. So you're going to read your element, for example, identify and demonstrate appropriate techniques. And then we're going to look here and we're going to restate that. That means put it in your own words. So instead of saying identify, we're going to use the word list. Instead of saying demonstrate, we're going to use the word show. And if you need to find words that have similar meanings to the words in your elements, you can use the thesaurus link. So hold down the control key until you see a hand and then click the link for the thesaurus. And you'll notice that thesaurus is highlighted. And we're going to type in identify. Make sure you click in thesaurus. And you'll see here are several words, synonyms, that mean the same thing as identify. So you can choose any of these words to replace in your element. You only have to restate 3 elements. So choose the ones that are most interesting to you. Use this video to complete your standard breakdown.